Waiting shed offers commuters and tricycle drivers a shelter from excessive sunlight and rain, as well as a waiting place. However, there are some areas where absence of waiting shed are noticeable, which leads to dissatisfaction and discomfort for commuters and drivers. And that is the reason why Hybrid Energy Harvester or HENR is built. This can fill the absence of waiting shed and can turn a waiting place into a live space. By having the HENR, they will experience the benefit of having an innovated waiting shed, where it can serve as a shelter from excessive sunlight, a waiting place, and a charging station as well. An innovated waiting shed is a powered sitting area made up of weld metal for people who wait for tricycles that provides charging station for 6 low-powered gadgets. The device has a height of 7 feet and a width of 6 feet long. The solar panels and wind turbine are attached at the roof of the waiting shed to maximize the energy coming from sun and wind. Additionally, it has light-dependent resistor use to indicate the absence of light with passive infrared sensor to detect motion inside the waiting shed. The developers initially gets the data and informations needed for this project. Then the designing phase will come, where the HENR will be planned on how will it look. The third phase will be the development of the project. It is where the device will be built. After that, the testing phase will come, where the experts in the field will validate if there will be adjustments and enhancements on the proposed project. The refining will be the fourth phase. The improvement for the proposed project will be done in this phase. The last phase will be the implementation phase, where the proposed project will be used by the intended users. The feedback phase is defined as the loop. This is where the comments and suggestions for the improvement of the device goes. That begins with refining phase. Up until the desired result is achieved, the loop will be repeated. The innovated waiting shed powered by Hybrid Energy Harvester will automatically open LED bulb when there is motion and absence of light. But for this video, the developers cover the light-dependent resistor to mimic the absence of light since it is daytime. It also has 6 charging hub for 6 low-powered gadgets where either the commuters and drivers can charge their devices while sitting on the waiting shed. As well as 6 built-in phone holder where a device can be put while being charged. The LED bulb automatically opens with the help of 2 PIR sensors, one on the left side and one on the right side of the innovated waiting shed. The developers chose to do it in line with innovative and sustainable design principles. The shed is designed showing on how to incorporate sustainable energy in providing shelter for commuters and tricycle drivers with a twist.